In this video we are going to see Phoenix Contact CATAN C1 controller overview and detailed technical specification. Welcome to Insight Control System YouTube channel. Device overview. The CATAN C1 EN controller is the central component of the CATAN product family for building and room automation. The highly flexible mix of inputs and outputs leads to further space and cost savings. Analytics and the Niagara framework are a powerful tool available as the programming environment. This makes it possible to integrate protocols such as BACnet, KNX, Modbus, and much more, and provides functions from room automation to HVAC and visualization. Easy cloud integration is possible as a building IoT controller. Controller specification. Processor is quad-ARM Cortex-A53 1600 MHz. RAM is 1 GB. Low-power double data rate for RAM. Retentive data storage. 5 GB for embedded multimedia card. 512 KB for magnet-resistive random access memory. This is additional memory. Real-time clock is integrated. Capacitive buffering. Operating system is Linux with real-time extension. Programming languages supported as Niagara framework. Material specification. Controller housing material is polycarbonate. Flammability rating according to UL94SV0. Controller color. Lower housing part is traffic gray A. Upper housing part is light gray. Degree of protection is IP20. Weight is 243 grams. Dimensions without display. Length 107.6 mm. Width 89.7 mm. Height 60.7 mm. Dimensions with display. Length and width are same. Height is 68 mm. Accessories. I/O module. Extension module for CATAN controller with 8 universal inputs and 6 digital outputs with bistable relays. Local override operation via CATAN control panel. Connection to the CATAN controller via single pair Ethernet. HMI. Touch display for local override operation and configuration of CATAN controllers and CATAN extension modules. Display size 2.4 inch. Connection via USB-C connector. Display mount. Mounting set for remote operation of the CATAN display. Extension cables. The extension cable is used to display the remote operation and is available in 2 and 5 meter lengths. Label. The label mounting type is insert. Number of individual labels is 500. Text field height is 12.5 mm and width 31 mm. Controller terminals in ports. This is memory card slot. Number of memory card is 1. Connection method is micro SDXC slot. Memory size is maximum 2 TB. This is USB interface port. Number of interfaces is 2. Use as connection for CATAN control panel and I/O devices. USB 1 can also be used as a USB Ethernet gadget. This is Ethernet interface ports. Number of interfaces is 3. Connection method is RJ45 jack. Shielded. Transmission speed is 10. 101,000 Mbps. This is RS485 interface ports. Number of interfaces is 2. Connection method is push-in connection. Transmission speed is 300 to 250,000 bits per second. This is bus interface port for room automation. Number of interfaces is 1. Connection method is bus connection terminal. Transmission speed is 9,600 bits per second. This is extension bus interface port. Number of interfaces is 2. Connection method is push-in connection. Number of supported devices is maximum 16. CATAN extension modules. Transmission length is maximum 350 meters between 2 devices. Transmission speed is 10 Mbps. Note, the connections of the extension bus are independent of polarity. Terminal 11 to 18 is digital outputs with digital input function. Note: you can use each DOI for one of the listed functions. Digital input, floating contact, counter inputs. Terminal 19 to 22 is universal output with digital input function. Note: you can use each UOI for one of the listed functions. Analog voltage outputs, digital outputs, digital inputs. Terminal 51 to 62 is universal input function. Note: you can use each UI for one of the listed functions: analog current inputs, analog voltage inputs, analog temperature inputs, analog resistance inputs, digital inputs, floating contacts, and counter inputs. Electrical specification: supply voltage is 24 volt DC. Current carrying capacity during operation is maximum 3.6 amps. In terminal points is 13.5 amps. In pass-through between the terminal points is 4 amps. Over voltage category is 2. The connection method of terminal 1 and 2 is bus connection terminal, and the terminal blocks or connectors are designed to accept rigid wires between 0.34 mm² to 0.75 mm². The connection method of terminals 3 to 62 is push-in connection. This table shows the nominal cross-section of wires for rigid and flexible conductors, including those with and without a plastic sleeve. It also includes 2 flexible conductors with the same cross-section and a twin ferrule with a plastic sleeve. Stripping length is 10 mm. Ambient conditions. Ambient temperature during operation is -5 to 50 degrees Celsius. Ambient temperature storage and transport is -40 to 85 degrees Celsius. Humidity in operation. Storage and transport is 5 to 95%. Non-condensing. Air pressure during operation is 70 to 106 kPa. Air pressure during storage and transport is 58 to 106 kPa. Protection class is 3. Pollution degree is 2. Installation. Installation location is indoor use. Install the device in closed control cabinets or control boxes, junction boxes, with IP54 enclosure rating or higher. Mounting type is DIN rail mounting. Mounting position is horizontal. Alternative mounting positions are possible, but can lead to a reduction in thermal performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more high-quality building automation content. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.